Welcome to SnapSocial, the social media automation tool where you can manage your social media across all platforms in less than 30 minutes of effort a month. As a busy solo founder, I know the pain of not having the time or expertise to manage my social media content the way that I want to. Let's be honest, there's enough AI slop out there, and social scheduling tools just aren't enough. The first thing you'll need to do is set up your business profile. Your business profile has all of the information the AI needs to know about your business in order to create a successful campaign. From your brand colors to your business goals and your brand voice, you can even attach strategic marketing documentation to help build out the AI prompt. The next thing to do is set up your calendar. You can import public holidays from various countries and capture product launches that's important for the AI to know about for your upcoming campaign. With all of that information in hand, you can set up a research campaign. This will scrape hundreds of sites across the internet and generate detailed research for your business to give you a strategic edge. The in-depth research report contains everything you need for a successful strategic marketing campaign, from analyzing your key competitors to finding trends amongst your target audience. From here, you can quickly plan a 30-day campaign. Enter a campaign title, select which platforms you want to target, and your calendar, and click Plan. Once your campaign plan is ready, you'll be presented with an extensive campaign with an overall strategy and daily strategy for each post, as well as what the AI thinks your captions and images should be. You can choose whether or not you want to generate images for a particular day, and you can even edit your posts. When you're happy with your campaign, this is where the real magic happens. You click Continue to Prototype, and the AI is going to iterate through each one of these posts and tailor it to every social media platform that you have selected for that day. When your posts have processed, you can see what they'll look like on various platforms and review the different days of content that you've created. There's even an image editor, which allows you to add text, add your logo, and do basic image editing functionality. When you're happy, you can save the images and you can approve either a post, a day, or all posts. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It takes a while for social media platforms to approve your app to post on people's behalf. But in the meantime, you can use our clever tool to manage your planning and schedule your posts, or to use a third-party tool. Thank you, Bolt, for this amazing opportunity. I can't believe what I've built in a month, and I'm very excited to see where this goes.